Somebody sold. Somebody sold. Hey, how do I have 600k? Oh, that's why I have 600k. I just lost on a bid. Okay, so my squad. So I have Tony Cruz. I'm trying to get Team of the Year Robin and Team of the Year Neuer, as you guys already know. But this is the bench. I know it's like good, but it's not like that good. I have to say, if you're gonna get a Team of the Year, I would say get Di Maria. Like if you can get any Team of the Year, you get Di Maria, and then after that Messi, and then Di Maria. He's like the best Team of the Year I've played with. And look at his stats: 96 pace, 88 shooting, 91 passing, 95 dribbling. Defending doesn't really matter, and 78 physical. He plays as Cam. I put him as a CM. That's probably why he doesn't look that good. And oh yeah, I forgot. Here's my other squad. It's not as good as the other one, but it's still pretty good. And I would complete it, like having all the players maxed out except Aguero, because his inform card is a fourth. It costs 10 million. So yeah, want to open a pack or not? I'll open 10 packs real quick. Rare gold pack. Should I get this one? 10 of these? Or 10 of these? Okay, I think you guys would want 10 of these. Or would you guys want 10 of these? I don't know. But I think you guys would want 10 of these. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Just kidding, because 25 gold players, 12 gold players, 12 rare. This one. And it's not players, it's just random items. And this one's 12 gold, 7 rare, so it comes with more stuff, but not as much rares. Well, since I want to get a good player, and I want to get inform Messi, or inform somebody good, and then I get nobody because nothing good. I'll keep him, put him in the transfer market, 88 pace, so I could get like 10k with that, 10k. Spurs, pretty good team. France, yeah, that's gonna get me like 3k. Give me some money, that's gonna get me some money, that's gonna get me some money, and that's gonna get me some money, that's gonna give me no money, and then the rest, just save all in club. Okay, now for the second pack, and you get another really bad player. Okay, transfer. Oh, this one, transfer. And yeah, that's pretty much it, right? Yeah, true. Okay. Save all in club. Next pack. If I don't get a good player in the next 3 packs, I will stop. Torre. Wow. That's like good, I guess. He's not that good, but I mean, like, sure. Decent. I want to get an informed badly. Varane, he's pretty. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he sells for like Gerard. Whatever. Okay, so Cam to CM. Oh yeah, that sells for a good 5k. That sells for a good no money at all. This one, I just like him. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Save all in club. Already have it. Okay, then quick sell. Since I got a, yeah, he's not really good at looking for an inform. Then one more pack, and if I don't get a good player, I'm sorry, but I gotta stop. All attributes. My transfer pile's full. Well, I guess all of them are gonna have to go in my club. And now, Chiellini. Okay, so this pack opening was bad. Really bad. I'm gonna have to quick sell both of these. But, okay, save all in club. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, quick sell all. 856 coins. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the videos. I'm not even sure if I recorded this or not. Hopefully I did. Because I'm not opening any more packs because I got nobody. And available 24. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, that's why. That explains a lot. Okay. Okay, Torre. He probably goes for a good 30K or something. Probably less because this is iOS. Well, I didn't get good players. Like, okay, see you guys in the next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it.